Hi everybody. Paint spillage in the back of an Audi. Customer has taken the Audi to the tip along with a load of paint to dispose of, and unfortunately the top came off one of them and kind of went all over the boot. So he called us to take a look, so we've just arrived, and I thought we'd shoot a little bit of film just to show how much damage a paint spillage can actually inflict on a vehicle. So we're going to use specialist products and equipment to remove all this, and we'll come back to this in a bit and we will see how she's looking then. And it went all over the mat. I don't know if you can kind of see that. It should be black. It's a grey colour where it still has paint in it. So anyway, we'll return to this in a bit and we'll see how it's looking then. Come to the end of this job, and all the paint removed.